Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to change Roblox font on mobile. In order to change the font in Roblox on your mobile, you could follow these steps. So you need to understand that when you have Roblox installed to your device, so when you open up Roblox into your device, or when you open up Roblox on your mobile phone, so there is no such option as to change the font in the Roblox app or within the app itself. So what you need is Android offers the most flexible for changing font, which then reflects in the Roblox game on the menu as well. What you have to do is just open up settings on your device, go to fonts. So at the search bar, type in fonts. You then need to click on the font section. Here you have the font here. You click onto it and you want to go to the Gboard section or the system default, and this way you'll be able to change the font. Likewise, you could also make changes with your font size if you want to, and you could also find other options depending on the type of device that you're using. So this way you'll be able to change the font. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.